So here is everything set up. There is a bit more light here. I have 3D printed this part, if you'll excuse me. So this is the inlet body, or the nozzle, if there is absolutely no focus, whatever. So this does the trick. I shoot with the compressor in. Yeah, I have tried the 10 liter per min, but it was not working properly. It was too little volumetric flow, so that's kind of sad. But with this and with the big compressor with not that much airflow, I am able to do, and I have tapped with I think it was 3mm hose. These are, I think it's either 8 or 6, I can't remember now, but around the tube. And this nozzle sits there, that deep, almost. Fuck this shadow. It's a bit like so this deep, and there is like a few, like a 5mm distance from the tip. The air comes through this pipe and shoots the stream upwards. Yeah, and maybe not the best thing to touch the end. I don't know if there's light. Yeah. So yeah, this is the tip, and it's cold now, or at least like semi-cold and touchable. Basically, it shoots the mixture up in this. The propane comes here from this PB propane butane tank. I have bought this reductor today and this backflash. I don't know, how do you call this? Arrestor. Yeah, I think they call that. So this is backflash arrestor. So if there is any backfire in the tubing for any incidents, it doesn't blow the fucking canister up or some shit. So yeah, and this keeps a constant and nice pressure so that the gas amount is fed towards the tip. The problem now that I face, I mean, everything is set up and fine and will be working very well. The only thing that we miss is that I need a cap, a mesh or something into the tip in here, just so like wire or something, because now that there is some sort of like turbulence or some bullshit happening, some how do you call this, like disturbance or something, and the flame is put out really quickly because of that, because we need to balance the propane and the air very finely, and just before it starts to dim out and basically like the flame goes out, the best efficiency of burning happens there. And we need that mesh, because when the flames are hot as fuck here, like 2200, 2000, I don't know how hot, but really hot, they heat that piece of metal up. And what that does basically is that will, as it is basically like red hot, when there is like an outage or something, the flame goes out, it will reignite the propane here that is in the nozzle, so that it basically doesn't extinguish the torch itself, so it won't stop, it won't go out, it will reignite itself with that tech. So I will make that mesh tomorrow and I will add it here, but it does pretty well. I might show you, might do a little quick demo here. Okay, so we have the torch end here, and I am going to put you a bit more back, increase the angle. Gonna put the torch there. Fuck this. Whatever, I have to reassemble it. Be right back. So I'm back. Here is this shit. I opened I turn the dial on the pressure regulator. As you can see that there is oxygen in here from the air. Sometime now. Yes. anyway, taking a bit off from it, so it is not that aggressive, increasing the amount of air, decreasing the amount of fuel, aka propane, just under here. This should be pretty fucking hot. This is pretty nice. This is, yeah, I would say this is it. So you can see that blue flame there is at least like 1900 degrees, so it's like 1900 degrees Celsius. That's a pretty hot fucking flame there. This is pretty nice, pretty clean ignition also, so it wouldn't produce that much soot. As if you recall the previous videos, you have seen the fucking bricks basically had a fuck ton of soot on them. So let's close the valve. Basically, wrong direction, whatever. Okay, this has been it, ladies and gentlemen. That's it for today. We'll add as you can see, it is pretty nicely working. What I will say is that I am going to add that thing to the back, so if it basically like puts itself out, it can reignite if the metal sheet or like mesh is hot enough. So yeah, this is it for today. Thanks for watching. Do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. Mwah.